Welcome to AIClub's 2021 Student Research Symposium. AI is all around us, from digital assistants to self-driving cars, to AI being used in medical research, to applications that help the blind, to protecting our environment and improving our agriculture and defending against climate change. Why should students do research with AI? They can create innovative solutions to real problems like these ones we just described. They can learn new technologies, apply them to validate, experiment, and validate hypotheses, and build new solutions. They can showcase these as accomplishments in their college applications and more. Our symposium keynote is by Dr. Bharath Ramsundar, who is an expert in AI for drug discovery. He has a Stanford PhD, has authored many books, and is going to talk to us about the latest of AI research in medicine. Our student presentations are from middle school and high school students from across the United States. They will show their innovation and research in applying AI to healthcare, social good, nutrition, literature, and more. We also have 2 teacher professional development sessions. Teachers will learn how to bring AI into their classrooms, approaches, activities, curriculums for different grade levels, and do hands-on training exercises. All teachers will get a professional development certificate from AIClub. Thank you very much and hope that you join us in this symposium.